Death and dramatic rescues in Spain. At least 63 people have died in the catastrophic flooding in Valencia. The torrential rainfall turned peaceful streets into raging rivers, sweeping away cars, even homes. Rescue teams are working tirelessly to locate missing persons and to provide aid. And the Prime Minister has declared a state of emergency. This is the worst natural disaster to hit Spain in recent history.
Well, what they're dealing with now is not only cleanup and, unfortunately, in many villages, searching for bodies, but also the threat of possibly more rainstorms. They've issued a yellow and orange alert for this area, meaning there could still be heavy rains and high winds and possibly even hail, which is what we saw yesterday, last night. It all happened very suddenly. In fact, for most of the day, it seemed to be just sort of drizzling and then all of a sudden a huge downpour. And to give you a sense of just how unusual this is here, this riverbed beside me is normally completely dry. It is now almost halfway full, and last night actually broke through the banks on the other side, and lines of cars had to be abandoned. That's why now here you can see on this side of the highway, people are just trying to get out here, and it's completely blocked off. In fact, many of the highways here were completely unusable last night and as of this morning. So it's thrown the entire area into a state of chaos, not to mention, of course, those rural villages which found themselves completely inundated. As you point out, there have been a number of deaths, at least 62. Search and rescue, however, is still continuing.